Hello everyone, my name is Forrest Burnham. I live in the United States of America, and in particular, the state of Vermont. It is very famous for its green mountains, its cold winters, and its extremely good maple syrup. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to record electric guitar without an amplifier. There are several ways to do this, and the ones I'm going to be teaching you today are a little bit more complex than just plugging your guitars directly into your computer. This is something I would not suggest, as it reduces the sound quality and makes everything a lot noisier and hissier. So let's get to it. First off, I'm going to take my electric guitar and plug a TS 1/4" cable directly into its jack. Then, I will take the opposite end and plug that directly into one of 3 jacks: the headphones jack, the amp jack, and the direct in jack. The direct in jack is for plugging an instrument directly into the preamp. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we are connected to the preamp. Now that we have the guitar plugged into the preamp, we want to take note of a few things. First off, that it is in the correct input. The input is down over here. We have 3. We have mic, line, and instrument. We want to make sure that the input is on the instrument selector. Also, you want to make sure that you want to be aware of the gain the entire time you're recording this. You always want to be aware of where this needle is. If it is up here, then your gain is a little too high. You want to usually keep it around here. And this is another way of measuring the gain. Once the preamp is set up, then we will output from the preamp into the interface, or audio converter. We will do this with an XLR cable. We'll plug the XLR cable from there into here, thus transferring the sound into the audio converter. From there, we will connect the FireWire cable, which is what this Sapphire Pro 40 audio converter uses, and we'll plug that into our computer, and thus into the DAW. You can also use a USB cable if you so choose. Now that everything is completed and we have the signal running properly into the DAW, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make a track that is compatible with the kind of audio that we're using. So we'll go make a new track, and we have a software instrument, an external MIDI, audio, drummer. We've got the audio tracks here, and a special guitar and bass track, and we'll create one of those. Then what you can do is you can go and select a quick setting on your effects, your EQs, your compressors, your delays, and your amp. I've already made one and fooled around with it a little bit. And we'll just unmute it. And now, everything is running properly out of the speakers and through the system, and you are ready to record. Also, once everything is in there, you have a wide variety of delays, compressors, EQs, even a tuner, which is very, very useful. And right here, you can make your own amp, or you pick an amp, a cab, and a microphone, and adjust it. You can adjust the sound. Right here, I've got a ribbon mic. You can use a variety of dynamic mics and condenser mics, a large variety of cabinets, and amp heads. I've got everything set up, and here maybe we can just play a little bit. You can turn the gain up a little more distortion. And once you have the sound that you want, you can start recording. And all you have to do is just make sure that your record button is selected, that right here, it is ready to record. You can see we just have to hit that little R button. And all you do is just press record.